In this video, I'll show you how to create a smooth text morph transition inside DaVinci Resolve. First, make sure you have 2 text clips on your timeline. You can create them using the Text or Text Plus tool from the Effects panel, and position them next to each other. Now open the Effects panel again, and in the search bar type Circles. Drag and drop the circle transition between your 2 clips. Once the transition is placed, right-click on it and select Open in Fusion Page. Inside Fusion, you'll see a node tree with the circle transition connected between Media in 1 and Media in 2. Select the circle node and delete it. Next, highlight the Media in 1 node. Then hold Shift and press Space to open the Select Tool window. Type Tween and choose the Tween node, then click Add. Now connect the output of Media in 2 to the second input of the Tween node. With the Tween node selected, go to the Inspector panel on the right and enable Clamp Edges. This helps prevent unwanted black borders from appearing during the morph. Then, right-click on the Interpolation control, choose Modify Width, and select Anim Curves. This will give you more control over how the morph speed eases in and out. Finally, return to the Edit page. You can adjust the speed of the morph by shortening or lengthening the transition directly on the timeline. Simply grab the edges of the transition and drag them inward for a faster morph or outward for a slower one. And that's it! You now have a clean text morph effect that transitions smoothly between your clips.